What has 18 hands but can't change its own shoes? It's an each, a horse, an eich dal chlwy to be precise, a Clydesdale horse, an eich dal chlwy. And the hands, lavan, hands, well, it's a bit of a trick question, because hands are how you measure a horse's height from the ground to the top of the withers, that's like the shoulders. Un lav, one hand, un lav, ceithir orlich, 4 inches. Ceithir orlich. Let's see how I measured up. I'm about 3 giach lavan, 13 hands, 3 giach lavan. Not bad. Let's see how I measure up against these ich. That's plural of horses around here. Ich. Ich gael chlwy have long been famed for their size and strength and exported around the world as working horses. Hence the phrase, choláchir rí eich, as strong as a horse. Choláchir rí eich. I've come to Blackstone Clydesdales in Shirach Ayr, Ayrshire, to speak with John Duncan and to learn about these impressive animals. What kind of things have they been used for over the years?
Mainly farming. They were here before the tractors and the machinery came in. They were used for, and you can think that it used to be mechanical, they used to be in the railways, they used to pull boats.
What makes them such a good workhorse?
Their temperament, and they're big, strong, strapping horses. Years ago I would say your big horses would be about 16 hands, 15, 16 hands at the farms years ago. Now you're getting horses up in 18, 19 hands easily.
Today the farrier is replacing Clyde's crua, a horseshoe, crua. Why do the horses wear shoes?
Well, it's mainly to stop their feet from wearing. They last about 6 weeks. You can take them on the road and they last 6 weeks. Whereas if they had no shoes on, you would only get maybe 6 miles at the horse's feet, and then that would be over. Because their feet would wear, it would make it very uncomfortable for the horse. So they need shoes.
I'm going to get a chance to lead one. What tips can you give me?
Well, the biggest tip, don't let them stand on your toes. Don't let them stand on your toes. Be natural, don't be afraid for them. A horse can suss tension. I'll show you what to do, and we'll go for there. After a quick instruction from John, I'm ready to go. Be me ceart go leor. I'll be all right. Be me ceart go leor. I need to remember John's advice. Don't let him stand on my toes. Be natural, don't be scared. I've got this. I think I'm doing all right. What do you think, Clyde? Hasho ervi skyniol. This has been fantastic. Hasho ervi skyniol. You know, I've often been unsure about horses, but meeting Clyde has changed my mind a wee bit. With his 18 lavan and my 13, we make quite the team, don't we? I'm just happy that ich dal chlwy don't have to work so hard these days. Right, Jay ni mi nisha. What will I do now? Jay ni mi nisha. Here, bud. Come on, Clyde. You could come home with me. Do you like swimming, eh? Take you down here beach.